So folks, here's a little insight on these pallet coasters. This is how I make them. I take wood like this, cut it into 4-inch pieces like this. I've got white oak, walnut, cherry, and cedar. I take the smells good. Cedar, cut them into 3 of these, right? Strips. This is all reused, not recycled, reused wood. Set them in these little, I'm trying to make it a little bit easier. I start with this, and this is what I started with, making one. Then I added this one. Now I'm doing this one, where I can take these and I'm taking them apart, right? I leave the rough side out so it looks authentic. 1, 2, 3. I'll put a center point here like I have on this one, right? For this one. And then you take use quite a bit of wood on these. What I'll do is slide this back out, sorry. I'm not a proficient at this videoing, but I'll just take 5 of these down here like this. Right? Stack these on here. 2, 3, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll space them out like I did over here on this one. That's white oak, that's walnut, right? And then I use the waterproof glue, because if you're going to be putting liquid on here, you want it waterproof, right? And then if you look at the other side of these, where I use the pin nailer, so you see I use a pin nailer to secure them down. So I'll be able to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at a time. And then I got them stacked over here. Right? And then I spray them with an outdoor, so these end up being waterproof when you put your liquids on there. And bingo. So hopefully soon we'll be selling these bad boys, and they're top quality. Again, walnut, white oak, cherry, and cedar. Have a great day.